What would you do if you encountered a tiger in the wild? Imagine this heart-stopping situation. A tiger, the largest and deadliest of all cats, staring at you with predatory eyes. Encounters like these are not uncommon in regions like the Sundarbans, where tigers claim the lives of hundreds each year. Understanding the behavior of these majestic yet dangerous creatures is crucial. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could save your life. Surviving a tiger encounter is about making the right choices. There are 5 key mistakes that you should never make in a tiger encounter. First, running away triggers the tiger's natural instinct to chase and catch their prey. Instead, maintain eye contact and back away slowly. Second, never approach an injured tiger. They are more likely to attack due to their heightened sense of vulnerability. Third, disturbing a mother tiger and her cubs is a deadly mistake. Mother tigers are fiercely protective and will attack if they perceive a threat to their young. Fourth, showing fear through actions like peeing your pants can make the tiger feel dominant and more likely to attack. Lastly, trying to hide or play dead may seem like a good idea, but tigers are intelligent hunters that can easily spot a ruse. Avoiding these mistakes can increase your chances of surviving a tiger encounter. Now that you know the mistakes to avoid, here are some key survival tips. The first rule is to remain calm. Tigers sense fear, so try to control your breathing. Maintain eye contact, as breaking it may signal submission. Try to make yourself appear larger by standing tall and spreading your arms. Lastly, slowly back away. Quick movements might trigger a chase. Each of these actions can deter a tiger, increasing your chances of survival. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay safe and respect the wild. Thank you for watching our guide on surviving tiger encounters. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you think this video could be useful for someone you know, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. That's one way we can all contribute to keeping each other safe. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more survival guides and empowering knowledge. Stay safe, respect the wild, and remember, knowledge is power.